Store, Belmont, California, Peninsula Sports Cards. Oh, nice. There's a good fucking start. There you go. Alright, and a waste. Okay, pack number 2. Oh, okay. Actually, no, I have 4 of those now. Cool. Alright. Damn, dude, I've gotten a waste out of every pack I buy from the store. I swear to God. Oh my God! I did not expect that from my local game store. Holy shit. That's ridiculous, dude. Holy shit. Local game store. How about that, man? I usually get from Target or fucking Walmart. But... Another one? Ah, that'd be cool. Damn. Well, you know, this card sucks, but... Thanks for watching. If you are watching, but nobody watches my fucking channel, but...